deduct? And are you seriously considering any court cases in advance of a general election? In which case, do you have other career prospects lined up?
Deputy Murphy, I know you're a deputy and you're elected by the people, and good luck to you. But sometimes I think that you feel that you're Julius Caesar and that you can dictate whatever you want to do yourself. Now, I'm not going to spoon feed you. So what I would advise you to do, Deputy Murphy, is I would advise you to toddle along to the AV room at 4 p.m. today, where Irish Water will be in there to give you the answer to any questions that you want to ask them. And that's open to any deputy, including Deputy Paul Murphy. And you can go and ask them yourself, and don't be expecting me to spoon feed you on that. Secondly, in respect of the legislation, the government expects to have legislated for this before the end of this session of the Dáil, and that the matter will be discussed here and in the committee rooms as one would expect. And no doubt, Deputy Murphy, you would be fully entitled to contribute with your constructive suggestions to that debate. And I look forward to hearing you in your understanding of how important it is that we have proper water for people, proper water for business, and proper wastewater treatment plants throughout the country. So go along at 4 o'clock, participate in the democratic presentation which will be there for you, and when the bill comes into the House here, we look forward to your constructive suggestions there.
Thank you. That completes leaders' questions for today.
To tell you where to go.
We now move on to the order of business.
If you don't know that they're giving information at 4 o'clock, I'm telling you that.
Thank you. Order of business. Sorry, would you resume your seat? Sorry, would you resume your seat? Thank you. We're on the order of business. Taoiseach, the order of business, please. Thank you.
The Taoiseach has brought this House into disrepute by that comment.
I didn't hear the comment, sorry. Taoiseach.
He knows what he said. Every member of this House has a mandate and has a right to increase.
Sorry, would you resume your seat, Deputy? Thank you. Sorry, Taoiseach, would you please proceed with the order of business? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We're moving on to the order of business. Thank you.
The point of leaders' questions
is to be able to inform you that that information is available to you at 4 p.m. Taoiseach, the order of business. Thank you. Would you resume your seat, Deputy? You're out of order. Thank you.
Julius Caesar have any rights to come?
It's nothing to do with you. Deputy Murphy is quite capable of looking after himself. Thank you. Taoiseach, the order of business. Thank you. Would you resume your seat, Deputy? Would you resume your seat? Thank you. Would you resume your seat? Deputy, I won't ask you again to resume your seat. I won't ask you again to resume your seat. You're heading for more trouble now. You're looking to get thrown out again. Thank you. Please resume your seat. Sorry, Taoiseach, just proceed. Just proceed, Taoiseach. Would you resume your seat? Resume your seat. The House is suspended for 10 minutes. The House is suspended. Thank you. Call of the Taoiseach. Thank you. Sorry, Taoiseach, on the order of business. Thank you. Thank you. Would you please resume your seat? Deputy, would you please resume your seat? Deputy, resume your seat.
I'm asking the Taoiseach to withdraw the disrespectful
Deputy, I'm not in a position to comment because I didn't hear the comment. The microphones were turned off and I'm not in a position to comment. Now, would you please resume your seat or I have to suspend the sitting again? It's as simple as that. You are not getting away with it. And it's none of your business. With the greatest respect to you, Deputy Murphy is on his seat. Now, please resume your seat. Deputy, please do it. Deputy, please. OK, we'll suspend the sitting for another 10 minutes. Thank you.